Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the color code of resistors. A color code is used to print the value of the resistance. Here I have made a carbon resistor. A carbon resistor has 4 different colored rings or bands on its surface. The first 3 bands A, B and C determines the value of the resistance, and the fourth band D gives the percentage reliability, or also called tolerance. The color of the first band A indicates the first significant figure of the resistance in ohm, and second band B indicates the second significant figure in ohm, and that of third band C, it indicates the power of 10 by which the two significant figures are multiplied to obtain the value of resistance. The color of the fourth band D, generally which are either silver or gold, gives the tolerance, or indicates the tolerance. If the color of this band is gold, then the tolerance is 5%. If the fourth band is silver, this means that the tolerance is 10%. If there is no fourth band, then the tolerance is taken as 20%. Now the formula for writing the resistance of a carbon resistance is AB into 10 to the power C. AB into 10 to the power C plus minus D percentage. Here A is the color of first band, B is the color of second band, and C is the color of third band, and D is the color of fourth band. To read the value of carbon resistance, the following sentence may be memorized, which is B. Roy of Great Britain visited Gateway of India. Here the bold-faced letter B, R, O, Y, G, B, V, G, W stands for, B stands for black, first B stands for black, second B stands for brown, R stands for red, O stands for orange, Y stands for yellow, G stands for green, B stands for blue, V stands for violet, G stands for grey, and W stands for white. These colors for the first two bands A and B correspond to figure 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 respectively. While for the third band C, they correspond to the multipliers 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 9 respectively. Now let's have an example. Suppose the color bands of a carbon resistance are in the sequence that the first color is yellow. Suppose the first is yellow, second one is violet, third one is blue, and fourth one is gold. And we want to calculate the resistance of that given resistor. Then we will use this formula AB into 10 to the power C plus minus D. Now here our first color is yellow, and the value of yellow stands for 4. You can see here the value of yellow is 4. So the value of A is 4, means 4. The second color is violet. This means the value of violet is 7. So it is 47. Now coming to the third band, it is blue, and the value of blue for the third band is 10 to the power 6. Now the last band or the fourth band is gold. Here for gold the tolerance is plus minus 5%. So it will be plus minus 5%. So the value of the resistor which we have taken as an example will be 47 into 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5% ohm. Similarly, you can calculate the value of other resistors using this